Well, I smacked my arm the other day, did not break it, but it lost a little bit of mobility for a while. It just didn't want to come around far enough to curl my hair. So we got the wig on again. It's hot. Wigs are hot, and it's Phoenix, and it's plumb warm. Today, we're going to bake some root vegetables. The last part of this video is going to be a list of all the different ones that I've tried and what their sodium content is. I love vegetables. Just mix them all up. My bag has got 2 turnips, and all my veggies are washed, peeled, and cut. They're cut bigger than bite size. They're, I like to call them snack size. 2 turnips, some carrots, a sweet potato, an onion. They're in here with just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon, of extra light tasting olive oil for high heat cooking, and a tablespoon or 2 of honey. That's what I like. My oven is preheated to about 410 degrees. My parchment paper package says it's good to 420. Because ovens vary, I don't want to take a chance in having mine not work right. But I've got all my veggies, and they're on. Oh boy, those look good. The oven is preheating, and then I will put these in it, about every 15 or 20 minutes. I'm going to stir them. Then I'll let you know how long it takes to cook them. Some of these are going to get done before the other ones. Sweet potatoes are pretty soft. Turnips are a little bit hard. I just keep moving them around. They're going to be really good. This would be my roasted veggies. I stirred these, about every 20 minutes to a half an hour. The asparagus were the first things to get done, a little less than an hour. All the rest of them took an hour and a half. Oh, we're not going to have these as our vegetable for dinner, although, wouldn't that be pretty? We're just going to use these to snack on. It doesn't get much better than that. Root veggies, a little bit of oil, some honey, or some spice that you happen to like. Put them on there. You're just not going to go wrong. They're outstanding.